Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We're going to discuss a hot topic that's on everyone's mind: AI and the job market. Will AI take over our jobs? Let's dive in and find out. The rise of AI, artificial intelligence, or AI, has made significant advancements in recent years. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. But what does this mean for the job market? AI's impact on jobs. AI has the potential to automate many tasks, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. While this can be beneficial for businesses, it raises concerns about job displacement. Some jobs may become obsolete, while others will evolve to incorporate AI technology. Jobs at risk. Jobs that involve repetitive tasks or data analysis are at a higher risk of being replaced by AI. For example, manufacturing, data entry, and customer service roles could see significant changes in the coming years. Jobs that will thrive. On the other hand, jobs that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence are less likely to be replaced by AI. Roles in healthcare, education, and the arts are expected to remain in demand. Adapting to the AI revolution. To stay competitive in the job market, it's essential to adapt and learn new skills. Embrace lifelong learning, focus on developing soft skills, and consider upskilling in areas like AI, data science, or programming. The future of work. The future of work is uncertain, but one thing is clear: AI will play a significant role. By staying informed and adapting to the changes, we can ensure that we're prepared for the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. So, will AI take over our jobs? The answer is both yes and no. While some jobs may be replaced, others will evolve, and new opportunities will emerge. The key is to stay adaptable and embrace the changes that AI brings. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos.